Hi guys! Hope that you enjoy our story time. This story is called My Triceratops Won't Wash. Looks like a good one. He jumps in mud all day. Eek! But when I try to clean him, he squeaks and runs away. My Triceratops won't wash. He's grubby and he's grimy. Splash! His tail is getting dusty, and his feet are wet and slimy. My Triceratops won't wash. He really needs a scrub. But however can I clean him if he won't go near the tub? He's muddy on top and he's muddy below. There's grass on his head and it's starting to grow. The place he likes best is a smelly old bog. He gets out of the bog and he shakes like a dog. Then I'm messy too. And so is my frog. I chase him here. Eek! I chase him there. He dashes to and fro. He is by far the messiest Triceratops I know. He's frightened of the shower and he doesn't like shampoo. You need a wash. You need a scrub. Your bath is overdue. Whatever shall I do? If only he were like my frog, who loves to wash and swim. I wish that my Triceratops could be the same as him. He showers and he sponges, he paddles and he hops. What if we dress you up to be a frog Triceratops? My frog just loves to wash, it's true. If he can do it, so can you. Are you ready? Let's begin. Count to 3 and hop right in. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Splash. Scrub, 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 scrub. It's fun in the tub. Splash and splosh. It's time to wash. Mopped and swept, neat and well kept. Shine and sheen. You're squeaky clean. My Triceratops has washed. It makes me feel so proud. But the only problem is now, my raptor is too loud. Bang, boom, stomp, stamp, stomp, stamp, stomp. I hope you enjoyed our story today. Miss you all, friends.